Hey, I want to show you my new 4K dash cam today. This thing's pretty sweet. It's got a camera that faces forward for the dash cam, records the road, and it also has a backup rear review display and camera to mount back there. So really excellent. And it also comes with all the cables you need to install it. Let's open it up here and check it out. All right, so the first thing that sticks out to me is this front dash cam. This thing's really big, got a 3-inch screen on here, really excellent. You could stick this right to your window and then slide it right in like this. Click. That's excellent there. Here we have our rear camera that you would mount in the back. It's got the little adjuster on here. You can rotate it however you want to make sure it sticks at the right angle, and then adjust your angle of the backup cam. So that's really convenient there. And it also has the power cable that plugs into your cigarette lighter, that mobile electric port. Really long cable too. And this last cable here, this really long one, is to connect this the backup cam all the way to the front camera to make it all work and connect to each other. This is really long, so if you had a big 4x4 truck or something like that, you definitely have enough cable to reach all the way to the back. So yeah, just a complete kit here. It includes all the hardware here too for cable management, and make sure you run your cable on the side of your vehicle, keep it out of your way, and make sure everything's plugged in and powered. So what a great kit. I'm going to show you this thing installed on my vehicle, and we'll go from there. So here I have everything set up. You can see the camera's facing my garage here. I'm going to go in the menu here. You can see there's a spot for files, video. I can go into video record, change the duration of recording if I want to record the audio or not. So I'll just leave that to on for now. I can change the settings from 4K, all sorts of different settings in here. So definitely some great stuff there. If I back out here, you can also see that this little angle up and down. So you can adjust the viewing angle, make sure you can see it perfect wherever you're sitting in the car. Overall, I'm just impressed by the quality of this thing. I can't wait to take it on the road and capture some footage and check it out. And if anything ever crazy happens, I can capture it on video, so that's excellent. Also has Wi-Fi mode here. You can change the language. Lots of different options. Time zone. You can change the speed unit from kilometers to miles an hour. So yeah, if you're looking for a great, awesome camera, something that'll be the front and the back solution, definitely check this out. Found it over on Amazon.
Hi, here to share with you this great front and rear driving camera recorder. This is great to have in your vehicle. The rear one's optional. This is the front one you put in now. A nice big screen on there. You can see it's like 3-inch screen. Then this is the rear camera, the mount, and then the rear camera itself. Pretty decent size as well. The cables for it. This would be for the front. Plug it into your cigarette lighter. And then this would be the cables for your rear camera. So lots of room to run back. No matter what vehicle you have, you're gonna have plenty of room to run the wires back to the rear camera. Like I said, the rear camera is optional too. You don't have to have that with it, but you can. It's a nice feature to have as well. Here's your charging cable. Nice long cable that comes with it. And here's the crowbars. So all the pieces you need to kind of like stabilize it more if you wanted to, if you're maybe driving off-road or something. And go through some of the other features on here. It comes with built-in Wi-Fi. That's a great feature. Built-in GPS, time-lapse video, just superior capacitor. Like I said before, a 3-inch LCD display on there, so that's really nice. True 4K UHD and 1080 HDR. So a lot of really good features on here. Really good quality. I'm gonna get it set up in my vehicle.